Proposed Rivers local government election suffers setback as court restrained INEC from releasing voters' register. Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court, Abuja, on Friday granted an interim injunction restraining the Independent National Electoral Commission from releasing voters' register to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission (RSREC) for the purpose of conducting the forthcoming local government elections in the state. Justice Lifu made the order in a ruling on an issued ex parte application by the All Progressive Congress (APC). The motion ex parte was drawn from the suit marked FHC ABJ CS 987-2024 filed on behalf of the All Progressive Congress by a team of senior lawyers led by Joseph Daudu. The motion was brought pursuant to Section 13 of the Federal High Court High Court Act, Order 26, Rules 1 and 3, Order 28, Rules 1 and 2, and under the inherent jurisdiction of the court as enshrined in Section 6 of the 1999 Constitution. Aside the restraining interim order, the court stopped the Rivers Electoral Commission and Rivers Attorney General from receiving from INEC or using parts of the National Voters Register relating to Rivers State to conduct local government election in the state. In addition, Justice Lifu George barred INEC, Rivers State Electoral Commission, AG Rivers State, IGP and DSS to maintain status quo ante bellum and not to do any act to take any further actions. In addition, Justice Lifu George barred INEC, Rivers State Electoral Commission, AG Rivers State, IGP and DSS to maintain status quo ante bellum and not to do any act or take any further actions or steps in furtherance of the conduct of local government election in Rivers State. Furthermore, the court restrained the Inspector General of Police, IGP, and the Department of State Services, DSS, from participating or providing security protection for Rivers State Electoral Commission to conduct a local government election in the state. The interim orders the court held are to remain in force pending the determination of a substantive suit in which the APC is changing the propriety of the conduct of election in Rivers local government. Justice Lifu also directed that the APC to undertake to pay damages to the 5 defendants in case its suit was found to be frivolous. Justice Lifu also granted substituted service of the orders and other court processes on the 5 defendants through publications in 2 major national dailies. Meanwhile, the court adjourned to August 2nd for all the defendants to appear before him to hear the substantive matter. In a 13-paragraph affidavit deposed to by one Tony Okocha, the acting chairman of Rivers APC, he averred that the originating summons were taken out against the defendant due to the failure of INEC to comply strictly with the provisions of the Electoral Act in respect of the management of the register of voters, which intends to release the Rivers electoral body for local government election in breach and violation of the provision of the 1999 Constitution and Electoral Act. The deponent averred that it is only the voter register compiled, maintained, updated, and kept in the custody of INEC that Rivers Electoral Commission can obtain and use to conduct local government polls at Rivers SIEC is not entitled to compile, maintain, update, and keep in its custody any separate voters register. The APC acting chairman further stated that its originating summons and motion or notice are pending before the court for hearing, and that it has become necessary to take proactive steps to preserve the substance of the case by restraining the defendant from tampering with or dissipating the main case pending the hearing and determination of the motion. What the hell is this? What the F is this? What is going on? What they happen? What's going on? What is going on in Rivers State? I don't understand. I was listening, I was like, APC. What has APC got to do? They don't Governor Sim, I know envy you. I know envy that seat where you sit down at. So you never get rests. If Nami I go down bounce. Nah. You cannot take away. Peace of mind is too expensive these days. What is going on? Why are they barring INEC? Why are they? I thought, they now said, okay, local government, they will now have to do elections and all of that, they'll be in charge. So what is now still the problem? Still the problem? Ha. Wow. The case brought by Rivers APC have no tangible meaning, but trust the court in Abuja will act as it has been told. This judiciary have forgotten what the Bible said. Why do they run to Abuja all the time? All river cases is now in Abuja. Beware the judgment of God is not in Abuja. Look, I don't care everything you're saying, Sha. This thing all begins and ends with, what's it called? Even you as a person, everybody. This is what I'm going to say. Everybody at one point in time. If you can look past what is going on, and collect bribe in your little position at work, maybe let's say, I don't care even if maybe hunger catch you, you understand, somebody come say make you do what you're not supposed to do, me come collect money for am. My sister, the moment you don't do am, you no get different. You and government still get different, no matter how pained you are that you're doing. And I'm telling you the truth, because now so all this thing they start. Now wetin these judges they do, then they do wetin they no supposed do, they collect money for am. Now the same thing, if you check am, it's only that the money wey dem give you maybe fit small, meanwhile the judges money fit big, or our politicians money is go big. So what are we even saying? What is going on? Now wow. Evil lawyers at work. Court says election should be held in the third tier of government. You are not refraining. It's like, I don't get. What is this evil and wickedness? I beg, let us know who manipulated the whole thing. So what do you mean, let's you know? You should know by now who manipulated it now. Is there anybody again who wants River State to continue? Make fire the burn for River State. You no care whether people burn. Ask yourself now, the person who done the set fire, who done the light fire for River State since, that same person. Now, nobody else. You seem not to be informed. Try and first get first-hand information. How is it unconstitutional? Do you know the numbers of governors that didn't conduct election for local government but keep nominating? Mind you, they are stifling local government, but the moment the president said he would be sending local government allocation direct into their account, they want to go kangaroo election. It is obvious the motive is to continue making use of local government money. Let INEC conduct all elections in the country. You are not well informed about Nigerian constitution and local government administration in Nigeria. INEC cannot conduct any election at local government level unless there is some amendment to the 1999 constitution. As long as 1999 constitution as amended gives state government power to make laws for smooth rolling of administration at the local government level, federal government cannot change it without amending the constitution. Rivers State local government election has already fixed on the 5th of October before Supreme Court ruling. Exactly. So what is now the problem? Tinubu and Wike are playing with fire that will burn them. The thing is, whatever they are doing is going to affect. It's already affecting Rivers State. And it's not a good thing that they're not saying it. They want to watch Rivers State burn for their own selfish gain. Alright, on this note, you've come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest